Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change email address on get.io. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and do subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing you need to do is to simply open your get.io application. Once you have logged into your get.io account, after that you just need to simply click on the profile icon at the top of left corner. After that, click on the profile and settings from here at the top and click on security. After that, you will be able to see this email option, so simply tap on this email. Once you landed on this page, here you will not be able to see any change email option because this option is currently not available here. But if you want to change your email address, so you just need to go back to your home screen. Then you need to click on this customer support icon at the top of right corner. Once you landed on this customer service support page, here scroll down and you will be able to see this my tickets, so you just need to tap on this my tickets button. After that, at the bottom side, create a ticket, so simply tap on this create ticket and here you need to select the issue you are facing. After that, here you need to select this security settings option and after that click on please select the issue type, so you just need to select this email from here and here you need to select the issue type change bound email. Once you select all of these issues, here you need to describe your issue. You can write like this: I want to change my registered email address, or you can say bound email address. After that, you need to upload a screenshot. After that, click on this submit ticket at the bottom. Once you submit this ticket, then after a few days or after a few hours, customer service support agent will contact you through email or any other contact, and after that your issue will be successfully resolved and you will be able to change your email address on get.io. And that's it. Now you know how to change email address on get.io. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and do subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos.